Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating prerequisites and taking the first actions immediately. Verify the edge routers, POE-PS, and last-mile links. Check firmware versions and known advisories, because outdated code often causes instability. Once that's done, inspect monitoring for alarms. Look for latency spikes above 50 ms and packet loss over 1% and confirm BGP session states. Make sure you have secure access, SSH keys, TACX credentials, and a spare console cable. Schedule a short maintenance window before making changes. Now you dive into the complex middle steps. Collect packet captures on the impacted interfaces and filter for TCP retransmits, ARP storms, and MTU fragmentation, because those reveal transport issues. Next, validate routing. Check BGP prefixes as paths, route reflection behavior, and MED or community policies that might shift traffic. Then test link-level health. Inspect SFP optics, power in DBM, CRC error counters, and link flaps. And, if necessary, swap suspected modules to isolate hardware. To finish, apply changes incrementally and keep rollback points. Make one change per maintenance window, and document timestamps and commands so you can revert quickly. Then validate services with synthetic probes and real user tests, confirming that 95th percentile latency and packet loss targets are met. If the issue persists, escalate to vendor TAC and supply collected core dumps, tech support files, and the event timeline, because detailed evidence accelerates resolution. Troubleshooting tip. If symptoms return after a rollback, compare configs with a diff tool to spot stealth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.